I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox renders. First, you'll need to download and install Roblox Studio, which is freely available. Next, acquire a powerful three-dimensional rendering software such as Blender, which is also free, or Cinema 4D. Finally, install a specialized Roblox character importer plugin for your chosen software. This essential tool will bridge the gap between Roblox Studio and your rendering program, making the entire process much smoother and more efficient for creating stunning visuals. Once your software is ready, open Roblox Studio and load the character or scene you wish to render. Utilize your newly installed character importer plugin to export your model. It's crucial to export it as an OBJ or FBX file, as these formats retain important data. Double-check that all associated textures and materials are correctly exported alongside your model. This step ensures that your render will have the correct appearance and details when you move to the next stage of the process. Now, import your exported Roblox model into your chosen three-dimensional software, like Blender. This is where the magic of posing begins. Use the software's rigging tools to adjust your character's pose, making it dynamic and expressive. Experiment with different angles and positions. After posing, carefully position your virtual camera and set up your scene composition. Think about the overall framing and what you want to highlight, aiming for a visually appealing layout. For the final touches, apply realistic materials and textures to your model, enhancing its visual appeal. Next, set up a three-point lighting system, typically consisting of a key light, fill light, and backlight for optimal illumination and depth. Configure your render settings for high-quality output, paying attention to resolution, anti-aliasing, and sample counts. Finally, hit that render button. Save your stunning new image in a suitable format like PNG or JPG, ready to share.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.